The internet connects us to everything. But sometimes, websites don't treat every connection the same. That's where mobile proxies change the game. Instead of using data center IPs, mobile proxies use real IP addresses from mobile networks. The same ones used by real smartphones on 4G or 5G. So when you connect, websites see you as a real mobile user, not a bot, not a server. This gives you more trust, stronger privacy, and fewer blocks or verifications. Mobile proxies are perfect for social media automation and account management, mobile app testing and marketing, web scraping, ad verification and SEO tracking. With FlashProxy mobile proxies, you get access to thousands of real mobile IPs worldwide. Every connection is fast, stable, and secure, just like a normal phone browsing the internet. Whether you're a business, a marketer, or a developer, FlashProxy gives you authentic mobile access with total privacy and full control. FlashProxy, power your connection with real mobile networks.